Good afternoon, people. Today Simon is speaking. Today I wanted to show you because I'm using 4K monitor and Modo 3D application doesn't really support 4K monitor resolution, but I found the way how you can turn Modo, how you can modify settings to be able to run Modo using 4K resolution monitor. When you open file location, you can use option incompatibility. You can change high DPI settings. You can use system enhanced to check if we fixed that issue. I found about another solution which I will show to you after a couple minutes. Because for some people, window icons may not be large enough. You can see font seems to be clean, but it's not necessarily big because you can, in Blender, you can resize icons and entire interface layout of the program. But I will know how to probably fix it. You can let me know if you are happy with it. System. Where are display settings? Because I need to find the display settings. I think that's this. Display. But on the other hand, I would probably have to open up the interface of this. I don't know if I can still use OpenBroad because the software. I will get back to you people if that is okay. Let's check 150. I will have to carry on publishing another video tutorial. This is video part 1.